Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today I'm here to go over the AA ignition intake and exhaust camshaft position actuator kit. Now, this kit fits a variety of GM vehicles from 2008 to 2015 with the 2.0, 2.2, and 2.4 liter engine. This includes the Chevy Cobalt, HHR, Malibu, Equinox, G6, and a variety of other vehicles. So I want to go over each of the solenoid actuators that are included in the kit. There's two included. One is for the intake cam and one is for the exhaust cam. You can see here the black one here. This says EXH over here. So this is actually for the exhaust camshaft. And this one is for the intake. Now, each of the actuators that are included have an O-ring pre-installed on them. You want to make sure you lubricate this with a little bit of clean motor oil prior to installation. And they also come with a new 10 millimeter bolt. And when you're installing these, you want to make sure you torque them to spec, which is going to be 10 Newton meters, which I believe is about 8 inch-pounds of torque. And you don't want to over torque these because you can damage the cylinder head. The installation of these is pretty straightforward. You undo the bolt from the factory actuator, you pull the old one out, and you put the new one in. Now, when you're going to install these around the opening in the cylinder head where this installs, you just want to make sure you clean that off with brake parts cleaner to avoid any sort of dirt or anything getting on the O-rings as you install it. Now, if you guys have any questions about the actuators, which vehicle they fit, or anything regarding the installation, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help.